Parissa waxing pen contains professional strength Salon wax that's effective even on dark or coarse hair. The precision applicator pen allows for easy placement of wax on the brow and face areas. All Parissa wax kits come with detailed instructions. This video is a summary. Before you start, do a patch test. Apply a small amount of wax to your skin and wait for 24 hours. If no redness or irritation occurs, you're good to go. Make sure the hair growth is at least 3 to 5 millimeters in length before your first waxing treatment. Don't bathe, wash, or clean your skin before waxing. Your skin's natural oils help provide a buffer between the wax and your skin. Applying a small amount of talc or baby powder can help do this too. The wax should be fluid and easy to apply. If you need to, gently warm the wax by placing it in a cup of hot water for 1 minute, or warming with a hairdryer for 1 minute. Do not microwave the waxing pen. Twist the pen slowly. Try 20 clicks to start with. Only a tiny drop of wax is needed. Work in extremely small sections, only applying the thinnest layer of wax. Hold the skin tight and apply the wax in the same direction of hair growth. The less wax you use, the better the hair removal results. A layer like this is too thick. This will not work as the strip will pull away from the wax without lifting hairs. Firmly press on the epilation strip, also in the direction of hair growth. While keeping your skin taut, zip away the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. The faster you remove the strip, the better the results. Always remove strips in one quick motion. Pull back, but stay close and in parallel to the skin. Keeping the skin tight and stretched when removing the strip helps reduce discomfort. Never pull the strip straight up or away from the body. This action pulls on your skin and may cause irritation, bruising, or skin lifting. Parissa Salon wax does not wash away with water. Clean any excess wax with Parissa azulene oil. A small vial is included with your Parissa waxing pen. Other gentle oils will work for cleaning too. The Parissa azulene oil will also help soothe the skin. Temporary pinkness of the skin after waxing is normal. This should disappear in 20 minutes to a few hours. So don't plan to wax just before heading out for the evening. Hair regrowth will also become softer and sparser with each time you wax. All Parissa waxes are made with safe and gentle ingredients from natural origins. Visit our website, parissa.com, for more information on our waxing products and for detailed waxing guides.